Welcome to Auto Info channel. Today we are talking about Bajaj Avenger's Street 160 motorcycle. The Bajaj Avenger Street 160 is a motorcycle designed for those who seek comfort, style, and power in every ride. As one of the most popular cruiser bikes in its segment, it has established a strong reputation among riders. This machine is more than just a mode of transportation, it's an experience, a journey that begins the moment you start the engine. At the core of the Avenger Street 160 lies a robust 160.3cc single-cylinder, air-cooled, DTSI engine. This engine is designed to deliver smooth power output and unmatched reliability. Producing a maximum power of 15 PS at 8,500 revolutions per minute and a peak torque of 13.7 Nm at 7,000 revolutions per minute, the bike ensures a thrilling performance on both highways and city streets. The 5-speed gearbox complements the engine, providing smooth and precise gear shifts. The design of the Avenger Street 160 is what sets it apart. It features a sleek and modern look with a low-slung cruiser-style body. The matte black finish gives it a bold and striking appearance, while subtle chrome accents add a touch of elegance. The blackout styling of the bike, combined with its alloy wheels, perfectly blends classic cruiser aesthetics with a contemporary vibe. Comfort has always been a priority for Bajaj, and the Avenger Street 160 is no exception. The ergonomics of the bike are tailored for long rides. The wide, well-padded seat ensures that the rider and pillion can travel comfortably for hours without fatigue. The handlebars are positioned for a relaxed posture, and the footpegs are strategically placed to reduce strain on the legs. Together, these elements create a riding position that is both comfortable and enjoyable. Safety is a significant aspect of the Avenger Street 160. The bike comes equipped with a single-channel ABS system, ensuring precise and controlled braking even during sudden stops. This feature enhances rider confidence, particularly in unpredictable traffic conditions. Additionally, the bike includes a rear lift protection sensor, which prevents the rear wheel from lifting off the ground during hard braking, adding an extra layer of safety. The suspension system of the Avenger Street 160 is designed to handle various road conditions effortlessly. The front telescopic forks with a travel of 130 mm and the rear twin shock absorbers work together to absorb bumps and potholes, providing a smooth and stable ride. Whether you're cruising on the highway or navigating uneven city roads, the suspension ensures that the ride remains comfortable. Another standout feature of the Avenger Street 160 is its braking system. The front brake is equipped with a 260 mm disc, while the rear features a 130 mm drum. This combination delivers reliable braking performance, ensuring that the bike stops efficiently and safely. The tires also play a crucial role in enhancing safety. With a front tire size of 90/90ths by 17 teraliters and a rear tire size of 130/90ths by 15 teraliters, the bike offers excellent grip and stability on various surfaces. Fuel efficiency is a key consideration for many riders, and the Avenger Street 160 doesn't disappoint. With a fuel tank capacity of 13 liters, including a reserve of 3.8 liters, the bike allows for extended journeys without frequent refueling stops. This makes it an ideal choice for riders who enjoy long rides and weekend getaways. The Avenger Street 160 is designed to be a versatile motorcycle that caters to a wide range of riders. Whether you're an experienced motorcyclist or a beginner, this bike has something to offer. Its manageable weight of 150 kilograms and a seat height that allows for easy foot placement make it accessible for riders of all sizes. The bike's agility and maneuverability ensure that it's equally at home in busy city traffic and open highways. The electrical system of the Avenger Street 160 is equipped with a 12V battery that powers its lighting and instrumentation. The headlamp features a 55/60 watt bulb, providing excellent visibility during night rides. The instrument cluster is a mix of analog and digital elements, offering a blend of classic and modern design. It displays essential information such as speed, fuel level, and trip data, ensuring that riders have everything they need at a glance. The dimensions of the Avenger Street 160 are optimized for stability and control. With a length of 2,210 mm, a width of 806 mm, and a height of 1,070 mm, the bike strikes the perfect balance between size and agility. The ground clearance of 177 mm ensures that the bike can navigate speed bumps and rough patches without any issues. The wheelbase of 1,480 mm contributes to its stable and planted feel, even at higher speeds. What truly makes the Avenger Street 160 special is its ability to provide a sense of freedom and adventure. It's a bike that encourages riders to explore new destinations and create unforgettable memories. Whether you're riding solo or with a companion, the Avenger Street 160 ensures that every journey is comfortable and enjoyable. The bike is available in several color options, allowing riders to choose a variant that suits their style. The matte finishes and chrome detailing give it a premium look, while the blackout styling adds a touch of ruggedness. This combination of elegance and boldness makes the Avenger Street 160 a head-turner on the road. When it comes to performance, the Avenger Street 160 excels in all aspects. Its engine delivers a perfect blend of power and efficiency, ensuring that riders can enjoy thrilling acceleration without compromising on fuel economy. The bike's lightweight construction and responsive handling make it easy to maneuver, whether you're weaving through traffic or taking on winding roads. The Avenger Street 160 is not just a motorcycle, it's a lifestyle choice. It represents a sense of individuality and freedom, appealing to riders who want more than just a mode of transportation. It's a bike that inspires confidence and encourages riders to push their limits, both on and off the road. In terms of durability and reliability, the Avenger Street 160 is built to last. Bajaj has a long-standing reputation for producing high-quality motorcycles, and this model is no exception. The bike is designed to withstand the rigors of daily use while requiring minimal maintenance. Its robust build and efficient engineering ensure that it delivers consistent performance over time. The Avenger Street 160 also stands out for its affordability. Despite offering a range of advanced features and premium design elements, it remains competitively priced. This makes it an excellent value for money option for riders who want a cruiser bike without breaking the bank. As a motorcycle, the Avenger Street 160 is more than capable of meeting the demands of modern riders. Its combination of comfort, performance, and style makes it a standout choice in its segment. Whether you're a daily commuter, a weekend rider, or an adventurer at heart, this bike is designed to cater to your needs. In conclusion, the Bajaj Avenger Street 160 is a motorcycle that delivers on all fronts. It combines classic cruiser styling with modern features, offering a riding experience that is both enjoyable and practical. With its powerful engine, advanced safety features, and comfortable design, it's a bike that truly stands out in its class. For riders who want a machine that embodies freedom, style, and performance, the Avenger Street 160 is an excellent choice. From city streets to open highways, this bike is ready to take you wherever you want to go. Please like and subscribe my channel so you never miss any update.